Hello my friends and comrades, it is Micha here, I'm the Tsar of Gaming and the Russian vlogger. So today what we're going to be talking about is this recent video that I filmed, and I will show it right now.
Oh! Larcio, patrz tam, patrz, Larcio, patrz, tam. Lars, zobacz, Larcio, patrz, znowu. Lars, zobacz.
So, if you saw the title or the description or both, you most likely realized what this is. It was a really cool thing, and by the way I was speaking Polish there to my retarded dog, which decided to bark after about the third time of me saying to him bark. But if you saw the entire video, which hopefully you did, that was a really cool bird pattern. First they went flying in, they went flying back later on. So very cool. My dog's bark scared them off, also me screaming at them scared them off. It was very cool. There was like at least 100 to 200 birds there. Very cool. I just came back from school. Basically that was about it. So I just wanted to show that to YouTube, to whoever actually watches this shit. Which most likely not a lot of people, but still, maybe in the future some more people will watch it. Anyway, I just wanted to make a vlog, and I wanted to show that really cool video. Isn't that cool? That's gotta be cool. It is cool. So, go fuck yourself. This is Micha, Tsar of Gaming, the Russian vlogger, and go fuck